The $120,000 Cybertruck's design decisions, build quality and fit and finish has been questioned by many owners. Close-ups of the truck reveals a lot. Gaps are bizarre on a whole new level, even by Tesla standards. From panel gaps to twisted door seal, or full rubber seal poking through the frunk. The wiper leaves a massive portion of windshield untouched on the passenger side. Upon opening the door, passenger will be showered by leaves and grime trapped by the gap between the door seal and frame. Owners are starting to use aftermarket checklists to ensure all the problems with their brand new truck are recorded. For instance, the Cybertruck checklist says to check for imperfections and defects in the stainless steel body and to inspect the weather seals. Instead of being up in arms about quality issues on one of the most expensive purchases most people will ever make, Tesla customers are selling ways to double-check quality problems to other owners.